Report.
Well, hi, I'm Greg Milligan. I'm the Mobility Manager from Microsoft Canada. And I would like to talk to you today about Windows Phone 7. Windows Phone 7 is a new platform for us. About 18 months ago, we decided that pardon me while I do this, do it off camera. We decided that we really needed to start from the ground up with a brand new product. So about 18 months ago, we started to work on this. Everything is new. We don't carry over anything from any of our previous products. And what that allows us to do is build a user experience that is very focused on the end user and very focused on touch. What you see here are what we call live tiles. And what these tiles represent is each one represents an application. Each one can also represent an individual, like a favorite person. It can be a favorite website. It could also be a piece of music or a video, those sorts of things. So what we see here is that each one of them is live. So for example, if I had a new mail, it would show up there. If I had new new text messages, they'd show up there. You can see there on my little Xbox Live tile that my avatar keeps popping his head in saying he wants to play a game. If I had a request from a friend who wanted to play, I'd see his avatar popping his head in there telling me he wants to play a game. So these tiles can be updated from activity that's happening on the web. And so the user knows that something is going on and I should launch that application or go into that to see what's new. They're also configurable by the user. Let's say I don't like that there, I can move that down here. If I don't really want this one right here, I can just unpin it and take it off. I can also change the color if I want them red or blue or green or whatever. I have chosen purple on white because it's kind of striking. Let me show you a couple of cool things that we've done around the phone experience. One is this concept of a hub. Now what a hub does, I'll show you the People Hub. And what the hub does is it lets me take a look at a broad range of content in a 360-degree panorama. And as I scroll across, you'll notice that I come all the way back to the beginning. Right? And so as I add more content into this hub that's related to people, my 360-degree view becomes bigger. But it lets me easily find out everything I want to know about people. So those are recent individuals. If I come back here and take a look at what's new, as of 6 minutes ago on Facebook, I got an update here around Hood and Portland. This is a race I'm doing. I got an update from a friend, a few other Microsoft employees I work with, and other friends that have been updating Facebook or Windows Live, or other social networking feeds like MySpace, Bebo, etc., things like that. So very quickly, within 2 touches, I can see what's new with everybody in my network. I don't have to go into a Facebook application or into any other sort of application. I get to see those right here. And if I wanted to respond to this, I can just pull down all the comments and then turn around and respond back to it. All right? So I can tap on that, and I can add a Facebook update right here. I'll also show you the Pictures Hub. So similarly, we have content that scrolls across the front and we have an image in the background. And then I come back to where I started. So these are various pictures of my kids doing things. I can scan through those. I can zoom in on them, all the sorts of things that you'd expect. But one of the cool things we've done is we've integrated, again, Facebook, Windows Live, etc., right into Pictures. So when I go to All and take a look at all my pictures, these are what's on my camera. These are things I've saved here locally. But it's also gone off to Windows Live and said, there are photos that you had in an album up on Windows Live. And if I want to look at those, if I want to add comments to them, I can do that. I can do it either way. I can do it there like that. I can use the physical keyboard if I want, or I can use the on-screen keyboard. So this allows me to do updates of all my social networking photos, etc. Similarly, that album is from Windows Live. This album is from Facebook. So it's pulling down photos from Facebook. I didn't copy these pictures in here. I just signed in with my Facebook account and it pulled everything down for me. So setup is dead simple. As you'd expect, we have an Office hub with Excel, PowerPoint, all the boring things. But what I really wanted to show today, because today is about gaming, is the Gaming Hub. And so what the Games Hub does is pulls down your avatar, your gamer tag, your gamer's score, your latest achievement, any avatar items, etc. Pulls those down right onto the phone. And what we announced yesterday was over 50 Xbox Live titles available on the phone for launch. And what those games allow me to do is play a game on the phone that then lets me accumulate gamer score or unlock an achievement or get an avatar item that I will then see on the console. So we're starting to see some very cool applications where I would play one level on the phone that would then unlock achievements on the console and back and forth. We're also seeing turn-by-turn based games from phone to phone. So I can play on my Windows phone against your Windows phone, and we're going to have a game. And that uses my Xbox Live subscription. And for phone-to-phone gaming, it actually uses Xbox Live Silver, which is of no cost to the individual. So without any extra cost, I can take my phone and play multiplayer games against you on your phone and accumulate gamer score, etc. So we're going to be launching this holiday period. Like I say, in Canada and in the US at the same time, across multiple handset manufacturers and across multiple operators. So Canadians will have a choice of manufacturer, they'll have a choice of carrier. They will also have a choice of form factor as to whether they want a keyboard that slides out like this, or whether they like just a straight touch device. Those devices will be available to individuals. Price point wise, we expect them to be in line with traditional smartphones in the $99 to $199 range on a contract.